back in the game. We have another regional, second to last here in the Northwest. This is the Jim Kent Memorial. We're bowling on 42 feet. A lot of heavy hitters here. Like last year, we got EJ, we got Ronnie, Marshall's bowling. But today's practice session, again, we're bowling on 42 feet. High friction bowling center. We've got 9 options, and hopefully we'll showcase the good ones and figure out what we got. But yeah. Tournament Director Josh Blanchard. Yeah, busy weekend, hopefully a successful one, and let's continue the process. Covered all the pairs I needed to. I found the left lanes to be hooking a little more, the right lane's a little earlier and tighter down lane. Some pairs obviously more than others with the difference, but it's looking like the same balls as normal, pitch black, base 2. I brought an idle that I threw here last year that I really liked, and the core swelled on me. Brought it to the pro shop guy, he tried to fix it, and it just wasn't really worth it, so I signed it and gave it to the shop. I appreciate them trying to help me out with that stuff. But anyways, I'm feeling pretty good about tomorrow. I've been practicing, so hopefully the preparation pays off, and hoping for a good day. Okay, welcome back. It's qualifying day here at the Jim Kent Memorial. Second to last PBA regional of the year in the Northwest. We're leading in points. I think we're leading the player of the year race. We need a couple of strong finishes here to hopefully cap it off, but we're just gonna keep on focusing on what we can control. I remember this is the house where I needed a high road pearl last year and I didn't have it, and I did bring one again, so hopefully the high pearl will get the job done. So far, not great. Made a couple bad ones. First game for 230. Could have been 270, but not the best. And then this game 2 pair wasn't fantastic. There have been 3 200 games in 2 games so far, so that's 3 out of 10. And scores aren't low. 2 front 10s this game, 1 300. Maybe just a bad pair, or maybe they broke it down really bad. There was a lot of rev rate, so I'm gonna assume they broke it down pretty bad. Next pair looks okay, I hope. Just gotta keep making some good shots, making decisions. I threw 3 balls this game. Into the UFO alert now. Didn't think this one was gonna be in play, but it kind of flipped the switch on me. The right lanes are hooking more today, so I don't know. Just gotta play what's in front of us a little better. not gonna lie to you guys, I'm having a miserable time. It's just not a good day. Shot making's been pretty poor. I haven't really taken advantage of any of the good games. I bowled one really good game where I felt like I executed really well. It was like a 10 out of 11 executed game, and I shot 240. I'm leaving a lot of pins out there. I haven't had a clean game. My head is not in the best place that it has been, so this is a big test. So through 5, I'm 105 over. Honestly, it's not great. We're probably sitting okay to make the cut, but we want to get as close to that 8 number as possible, or further in there. So if we can pull off a good last 2 games, then you know what, we're just gonna do it because we need to end on a good note and be in a good place mentally. But all things today kind of point to preparation. I guess it hasn't been good enough way to get it this week. So nothing we can do about that now. We just gotta make one good shot at a time. Whatever happens, happens. 226 last game, finally a clean game. It's gonna be plenty to make it. I have no idea how far outside the top 8 we are, but I think we're gonna have to put up some good numbers tomorrow. Just gotta be a little more disciplined. I did my well, better how. What I did well, I kept it in play most of the time. I wasn't really lost. Execution could be better. Mental game could be better. So my solution for the how is just process. I think process just needs to be better. We gotta tighten that up, and we'll give it a run tomorrow.
I think I made it.
Yeah?
I bowled 248 points left.
Nice. It's good. We need Marshall to have some success. Early morning tomorrow. We're gonna cut it there. Like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for the finals.